Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi. Khabar semua. I hope that you are in good health. Um, every everyone is okay. Everything is in good condition. So for this computer vision system subject, I believe this is the last video for this subject. Um, um, I think not many video have been prepared, especially for a lecture. And some of the topics you can refer to notes, study by yourself. Read the notes, study by yourself, answer to exercise, refer to the internet. So so this is the situation. Online class for the current situation. We hope that we can go back to the normal condition later where we can get class face to face. I believe everybody is not feel convenience with this kind of environment. It's not even you as a student, lecturer also feel not comfortable and convenient in delivering a lecture. So same to me. But whatever it is, we have to finish up all uh, everything that um, we for these subjects. You know, we are almost come to the end. So for this time video, uh, I would like to give final last briefing for you to prepare for final examination, so that you can be more focused and more specifics to study which topics or which chapter to give more attention. Okay, so let me see what is the topics that covered in the final examination. So please take note and get when you get this information. Okay, try to get notes and try to understand the contents. The any theoretical or anything that explained in this in the topics. Okay, so let me share with you the slides. Wait a minute. Teaching. Okay, let me Okay, this one. Okay, let's see. Let's share the PowerPoint. Okay, okay. Share the PowerPoint. Share this presentation. Okay, so so you can see this PowerPoint. Let me make a note over there. Okay, so the final examination is in Kalam. Some of the some of the question is um, auto grade. Auto grade means that you give the answer in the Kalam, so it is automatically grade the answer. And a few questions you need to write in the given space in the Kalam, and also maybe some of the questions uh, request you to attach. If there is a option for you to attach a file, so you attach. If not, then you just write. You just start your answer uh, uh, on the given space in the column. Okay, so the time given is 2 hours 30 minutes. The date, please refer the schedule that given by the university. I'm not sure when is the date, but you can refer to the schedule. Okay, so let's discuss the first one. Uh, one important tips for you. Please try to get the final, the past final exam questions. Then try to answer that all questions, because some of the question uh, is actually similar from the previous. If not similar, the concept is same. It's not easy to create a new question. Okay, but you have to make effort to find the question. Okay, from previous from the past year final examination. So okay, I would like to on the chapter one, question one. So on chapter one. So in the chapter one, we discuss this one. All right, software and hardware. Okay, so there are question which is related to the software and the hardware of computer vision. Okay, software and hardware of computer vision. So what you need to do is to explain. Uh, I'm not sure you can get it from the slide lah. Yeah. Explain the software and hardware of computer vision system. Right? So you need to explain it. Hmm. You need to explain that. Okay. So let me check again. the question. Uh, some of the question in the kalam, you need to you need to what? You need to answer, for example, true or false. Okay, you just choose whether it is this statement is true or false, or short answer, or sometimes you need to write the answer in the given space in the kalam, or maybe some of the question need you to upload. All right, so it depends. Okay, let me see. Um, okay. Yeah. This one, this one. Okay. Okay. As I said just now, some of the question given you a statement, but this is we discuss on the computer vision software and hardware. So, given a statement, then you read the statement carefully, try to understand which is related to the software and hardware, and select whether that statement is true or not. Hmm. Some of the statement require you to choose which answer is correct. A, B. You are given a few options A, B, C, D, E. So just choose. Okay, so that is the uh, some of the tips. And you need also um, to check or try to understand the application of computer vision system. Okay, the application, because this is a chapter one. If you refer to the slide in chapter one, we did discuss this one, right? Computer vision system in agriculture, medical application, manufacturing, automotive, civilian, security system, so on and so forth. So try to understand the computer vision system in this field. Because some of the question is coming from this one. Okay. Okay. So that's the idea. All right. And next. Um, okay. Next. Next is a histogram. Okay. Let me paste this one. Histogram. I put this one. This one. I put like this. I'm not going to share this slide, but you can get uh, you can play this video lah. Okay. Question one. I put it this Q1. Okay. So this one I put it in as a Q2. Q2. This okay. Histogram. So the next question is about histogram. Histogram. So please get the notes about histogram. try to read histogram, get the additional information in histogram, go YouTube and try to find histogram. Okay, so there is a question asked about histogram. Okay. Okay, so uh, I give you an example lah, because I'm afraid that you are confusing. I give you an example. Okay, next page. Okay, for example, here, okay, I give you this example just to explain. If you don't understand, try to understand from this example. Okay, so this is example. Okay, like this. Histogram of the following matrix A is uh, okay. So this is a symbol of this is symbol of matrix. Supposed to have okay, no. This is a matrix. Okay, this is a matrix. One row, column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you are asking to plot, if you are asking to plot, so how you are going to plot this one? Plot. Plot. So plot lah. Very simple. How many is 10? 1, 2, 3. 15. 1, 2, 3. 18. 1, 2. 215. 1, 2. 21. 1. 18. 1. The rest is 0. Okay. Easy, no? Very easy. Okay. Okay. Let me check again this one. Okay. If from the histogram, from the histogram, from a histogram, we can do a classification. Can do classification. How? Because histogram is actually the distribution of pixel value. From pixel value, we can know, oh, this pixel value got a lot of what average of pixel value. This one less of this pixel value. So from there, you can do a classification. Okay. I'll give you an example like this. Okay. So let me check. For example, if you want to do a classification, then you implement this one. Implement this one. For A, if pixel value A greater than 210, set the pixel value A 255. Which one is greater than 210? This one, 215, 215. So you set it to 255. Else, set to 0, 0, 0, 0. So now you have your new A, which is you get only 215, 215 because, sorry, 255, 255, what in black. Okay, so that's the idea. Okay. So that is the histogram. Question 3. Question 3. Question 3. Question 3. Question 3. Q3. Q3 is about morphology. Morphology. So get notes on the morphology. Morphology we have what? erosion, dilation, opening, closing, and structuring element. That is only a question on morphology. So please try to understand all this technique or morphological operation, right? Okay. So, there is a question. For example, if you are given this image, input image and one output image, and then you can see of course the difference between input and output, which is uh, a morphological operation has been implemented to the input image. So you are asking to name what is the operation, morphological operation to get that output. Okay, so you need to understand. All right, so that is the morphology. Okay. So you need also to study how the operation of erosion. You are given structuring element, for example, given a matrix A, and then apply erosion. So get the output. Okay, so you can answer that. Very straightforward. I think easy lah. Easy. Question 4. Future extraction. Question 4 is future extraction. Question 4 is future extraction. Question 4 is about future future extraction. Futures, it's about futures. It's about future. Okay, future extraction. What is the future extraction? Okay, so you have to understand what is the feature extraction, what is the purpose of feature extraction, what is the importance of feature extraction for classification. You need also to know the importance of feature extraction. Okay, how the features of good and bad data looks like. Okay, and also for the features, you try to find no information of how histogram can be used as a features for classification. Ah, so that's the idea of question number 4. Okay, let me check. Okay, you have to describe the good and bad data, features of good and bad data. Okay, and also you need to illustrate or draw the good and bad features. Okay, try to get that notes and try to understand from the notes about feature extraction. Okay, next is question 5. Last question. Question 5 is about application. Okay, so you are given one or two application. For example, agriculture, medical, automotive, civilian, security, or manufacturing. Choose any of two that application, then explain mission vision in that application. For example, For example, medical, explain how we can apply or implement machine vision in medical application. So choose one application, for example, to detect cancer, for example. Then you have to explain from the beginning how how to develop the system from the data acquisition, pre-processing, image processing, feature extraction until classification. Okay, so that is all the 5 questions um, for the final exam. Um, so hopefully it can help you to prepare for the final exam and to give more focus or which topics you need to give more attention or try to understand the topics that we discussed just now. So 2.5 hour in Kalam, there are a lot of questions. You don't have to copy. You don't have time to copy from your friends because each of you will receive a different set of questions. So I believe you don't have time to check or to discuss with your friends because the time is because the time is not it's just 2.5 hour. So what you need to do is just to concentrate the topics that I discussed with you just now. Try to understand that, and I believe you can get the good marks on the final examination. Okay, so that's all my video uh, for final examination preparation. So I believe this is the last video for this subject, and I pray and I wish you all the best. Please do not stress, relax, enjoy. If you have any problem for this subject, just call me or WhatsApp me. I will try my best to consult you, um, and we all can um, continue our life or enjoy our life without having any problem, especially from this subject. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope to see you again in the future, and all the best to you. Thank you. Bye bye.